Seems like Tesla Cybertruck could soon charge wirelessly. The service manual hints at future wireless charging capabilities, with blank connectors designated for an inductive charger. Inductive charging is a technology similar to smartphones where the battery fills when placed on a special mat. Tesla owners would be able to drive into their garage, pass over a pad, and charge without the hassle of plugging in. Wireless charging could improve convenience, eliminating the need to physically plug in the vehicle. The truck is built with blank high-voltage connectors. The plugs will be used for inductive charging. Tesla is far from the only automaker exploring inductive charging, a convenience that could enhance the appeal of electric vehicle ownership for those with home garages. However, the potential applications of this technology go beyond just eliminating the need for manual plugging.